Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabine here. Welcome to a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can normally promote a Clickbank product completely free of cost on few specific needs to one of the free traffic source that is available on the internet, which means you don't have to pay a single penny to normally drive a traffic to your affiliate link. Make sure you are going to be watching this video till the end, where I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can normally make it happen. Before we normally proceed further into a video, I like to normally show you something. There will be a link down below this video, the first link or the link on the pin comment, which will take you to this website where you can normally register yourself for attending a one live webinar from my mentor, from whom I have learned most of the marketing tactics, John Armstrong, and you are going to be getting a free training on how you can earn at least $10,000 per month passive income without risking a single penny on your own. Plus, you are also going to be getting a free $100 checklist that you can normally use for earning at least $100 per day, even if you are a complete beginner who do not have got any idea about affiliate marketing. So make sure you are going to be using the first link down below this video to normally attend this webinar or live session, whatever you want to call it, so you can normally get started with affiliate marketing with a full of knowledge and information that is going to be helping you on the long run. Okay, so let's begin with a video. So first thing that you have to do is to choose a perfect product that you want to promote. I personally recommend you to choose a product from three different niches. The first niche will be e-business and e-marketing, second niche will be a health and fitness niche, and third niche will be a self-help niche. So I'm personally going to be choosing a health and fitness as my niche, so I'm going to be selecting a health and fitness. Then you have to choose a product which gravity will be at least 100. Okay, do not choose a less than 100 and do not choose more than a 200, because more than a 200 means the competition on the product is really high right now, and there is a possibility that we are not going to get a good result. So we have to make sure we are going to be promoting a product which will be on a medium range of a sales number. Okay, gravity basically means number which will define how many number of affiliates who have sent a sale to a specific offer previously. So I'm going to be promoting this particular product here. So first thing that you have to do is to open the sales page of the product and open one notepad over here, because we need to normally get as much information about this product as possible. So I'm going to be normally pausing this. Then we need to normally find more information. There should be a pop-up which will normally let us to normally read a detail of the normally get a detail about the product. But usually most of the product on health and fitness niche on a Clickbank will only have gotten a video, and there will be a buy button which will appear once customer finish watching the video. So for the first thing that we have to do is to come on the JB page. Then I'm going to be choosing retargeting, no headline, no autoplay, alternative VSL, retargeting lander. So I'm going to be choosing a retargeting lander. I'm going to be putting my username over here. Then I'm going to be clicking on terms and condition is accepted, and I'm going to be clicking on generate a hop link. So I'm going to be opening this link on my browser itself, as you can see. So now I'm inside their website where customer can actually purchase once they finish watching the video. So the thing that we need will be the headline. Okay, so try resurgence, 80% off today. So we have got a main headline because we are going to be promoting through a free listing ad. Okay, then what is this product is all about? This is a description. I'm going to be copying this more. As you can see, now I have gotten a detailed information regarding the product. I will also normally make sure to copy a few more detail. For example, these are FAQ detail of the product. Okay, FAQ details are really important for promoting any product, because FAQ detail help you to normally get a better traffic. Okay, now my content, and this will be the title. Okay, so I'm gonna be naming this a title. Okay, we have got our title. So now the thing that we need will be an affiliate link to normally promote this offer. So I'm going to be typing affiliate link. Then I'm going to be coming to the Clickbank again, click on promote. Then I'm going to be using a free method as a tracking ID, so this way I can see from where I'm getting a sale. Then I'm going to be going to a website called tinyurl.com. I'm going to be pressing enter. I will paste it and I'm going to be clicking on shorten the URL. So the URL is shortened because nobody like to click on an affiliate link which look like an spam, right? So the next step which you have to perform is to normally come in this website called giganticlisting.com, which you can just search on a Google, and this is a website where we are going to be publishing an ad. We can publish the ad on a specific categories like a vehicle, buy sell, classes and training, real estate, services, community, health and job. That is the reason I have normally suggest you to choose few niches. So I'm going to be putting this on the health and fitness niche. Click on publish your ad. As soon as you normally click on publish the ad, select the category. Okay, the category will be health. Then select a subcategory, doctors, activities, fitness. I'm going to be selecting a fitness at this moment, or let's just go with activities because that is a sleeping product. Then what will be the title? So as I have mentioned, the reason for copying this detail from the sales page of the product is to include a title. Now we need a detailed description that I have generated from their sales page. Then I'm going to be pasting that entire detail. Okay, let me switch it over here. Okay, let me go back to their website again. So now as you can see here, I have pasted the entire description properly. Now it's time for me to normally press on continue button. As soon as I normally press on continue, it will normally tell us to normally put the address over here to continue. So you have to normally open your own affiliate link, then you are going to be getting an address. You have to normally copy the address from the sales page of the product because sales page of the product is really important. Or you can even consider putting an affiliate link. Okay, let me try to go with affiliate link. Okay, so they allow us to normally put an affiliate link, means that is a place where you have to include an affiliate link. Now what will be the price of this? If I normally go over here, there is no reason I can normally see the price, so I'm just going to be putting a $147 as an example price and press continue. As soon as I normally press continue, you have to normally include a name. Do not use your real name. Just go on a website called fake address generator, and the first website which will normally pop up, copy the name from there. This way you are going to be you will look like a genuine person. Then free TMP temp mail. Make sure you are not going to be using your real detail to list the product on this kind of a website. Okay, it is not so safe because we have no idea from where this kind of a website get an traffic. There is an risk of normally letting our personal data go away. Then we need a phone number, so TEMP temp phone number. So I'm gonna be getting a temporary phone number as well. Let's just go and choose this one, okay, as a temporary phone number that we are gonna be using. Okay, plus let me normally copy it, paste it over here and click on continue. As soon as I normally press let's just go with a business and click on continue. Then again remove it, free. So make sure you are going to be selecting a free, then click on continue. Make sure you are not going to be paying them money. So country and a region, we have to normally put a United States. Select a region. I'm going to be going with an Indiana. Then city, you can just choose any random city and click on continue. As soon as you normally click on continue, now you can add images of the product as well. So now I'm going to be saving this specific image on my PC browser. Then I'm going to be uploading that image as well. So I'm going to be going to a picture, product logo. I guess this is the image. Make sure you are going to be uploading at least 2 or 3 images. In order to fast forward the process, I'm just going to be uploading one image so I can save some time. So now I'm going to be clicking on publish. So now as you can see, our listing has been successfully done. It will be reviewed by their platform, and once they review, you can normally change your affiliate link as well, and your ad will be visible to their ad platform, as well as it will also be visible on a few other platforms which they have been affiliated with. Means you are going to be getting a lot of impression, a lot of traffic and lot of visitor. I cannot guarantee you the amount of revenue that you are going to be generating from the method, but I'm assuming you can at least make $500 to $1,000 a month if you follow the process again and again. You cannot expect to get a sale on the very first ad you are going to be publishing on the platform. Make sure you are going to be publishing at least 2 to 3 ad every single day, or as much as you can, for promoting a specific product and various product. This way you are going to be getting a more result comparing to posting a one time and hoping to normally get a sale. So I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below, and make sure you are going to be clicking a first link and joining that live session from a Jono Armstrong, which is going to be teaching you something really valuable that is going to be helping you to get started with online marketing in no time.